I'm coming anyway, Budman. My feet soaking wet. I flipped your truck over in the middle of the water, so I had to go get it. Ain't this? Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot I was on camera. But I flipped Budman's truck. And the drink, I had to go get it. Water went past my boots. Oh, my feet is cold and wet. And with these socks, I can actually feel them warming back up as we speak. Was that spot easy?
I made it without even having to go too far up the log. That's why I wanted to see, because I figured I couldn't get up the logs like I could, but I got the big tire for the clearance.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, Budman. You still want that? You still want a Gladiator, don't you? Look at that. Just slow walking.
Yeah, it's got an 1800 Fusion in it. And it just works good. I mean, it's got a decent lean to it. It's got a good scale look. Come my way. Back up in there.
Oh, look at that. Let her eat.
I know that's a rough spot right there because both tires get on something.
Yeah.
And when they're wet like this, it really messes it up. I can film a little better now that I'm not driving, gentlemen. Sorry about the last one. You try to walk, drive, and film, that's some shit right one day.
Oh my goodness. This thing is a beast. Almost never drove this before.
Yeah, it's a beautiful. Well, remember he had the little tires on it. He kept getting stuck on everything.
Oh yeah.
He only drove it once.
And I think it was raining that day, wasn't it?
I don't know. I wasn't here. I just remember you telling me about it getting stuck on everything. And then I had the bigger tires on it. Ever since I put these on there, it's just fucking works good. It's like, man, I'm a big Super Swamper fan, though. I like the way they look. because it looks ridiculous, and it's just so cool to me. And they're doing good. I'm freaking happy with the performance. Big eyes. Just like shit like that, you be all hung up like a bug with a.
Yeah, especially that way you just went.
No, I'm having top heavy issues, but
You did it to yourself, at least. You know it was intentional.
I need to put a little bit more weight and a new steering servo. And this still got the stock Traxxas steering servo. So if any of you steering servo companies want to sponsor somebody, goddammit, we need one. We need a bunch of them, probably.
Hobby King got servos.
Do they? Oh,
Yeah.
well, shit, Hobby King, there we go. I'm going to order a servo from y'all. And I'm going to get a discount because I'm going to use Rad's code.
Yeah, they actually got good prices. They got a couple of servos. Like a 55 kg, I think was like $45.
Yeah, that's what I needed something like that for this. We need to.
Yeah, with the big.
We're going to do it again?
They definitely would if it ain't hit the water, slowed it down. This one actually taking the water pretty good. Get it one more time to clean the water off. I mean, tires off. Ah, that was a nice wheelie.
I'm trying to ride it.
Ah, you rolled that one.
I was betting on the battery.
That was it?
Hey, she just went weak.